Logo procedures. Kids, today we are going to learn little more about logo procedures. We have already learnt about MSW logo previously. Let us recall about it once. Microsoft Windows logo. It is a computer language that helps you to write instructions for the computer to make it to do a certain tasks for you. Logo stands for Logic-Oriented Graphic-Oriented Language. It is a simple language used to draw figures, type text, and perform simple arithmetic calculations. Recalling components of MSW logo window: title bar, menu bar, graphic screen, commander window, input box, recall list box, and control buttons. Let us know about logo procedure and rules for it. Logo procedure. Logo procedure is a set of logo commands given one after the other to perform a particular task and referred by a specific name. By using this name, you can execute the set of commands which a procedure contains. A logo procedure has three parts. 1. Title. It allows you to give a name to procedure. It always starts with the word TO. 2. Body. It contains all the primitives for drawing a desired picture. 3. End. It contains the word AND, which conveys the computer that our instructions are over. Rules for writing a procedure. Here are some rules for writing a procedure which we must keep in mind. A procedure can have letters, numbers, and symbols. The first character of the procedure's name should always be a letter. A procedure name cannot include names of any logo commands. A procedure cannot have blank spaces and arithmetic operators. Correct procedure names: 1. My name, 2. Roll 5, 3. Fast. Incorrect procedure names: 1. My name, 2. 5 roll, 3. Fast plus. Writing a procedure. You can write a procedure using two methods. 1. Using the input box. Steps to write a procedure using the input box. Step 1. Type to square and press the enter key. The TO mode dialog box appears as shown. Step 2. Type repeat 4, that is FD 100 RT 90. Step 3. Type end. Step 4. Click on OK button and press enter key. Look here. Logo displays a message in the commander window indicating that your procedure has defined. This means that you can run your procedure to draw the desired figure for which you have defined the procedure. Using the editor window. Steps to edit a procedure. Step 1. Click on Edit button. The editor window appears as shown. Step 2. Make changes in the editor window. Step 3. Click on File menu. A sub-menu appears. Step 4. Click Save and Exit option. Erasing a procedure. Steps to erase a saved procedure. Step 1. Click the File menu in the graphic screen. Step 2. Click Erase option. The Erase procedure dialog box appears. Step 3. Select a procedure you want to delete. Step 4. Click on OK button. Logo erases the selected procedure. Saving a procedure. Steps to save a procedure. Step 1. Click the File menu in Graphics screen. Step 2. Click Save option. The Save As dialog box appears. Step 3. Select a location for the file. Step 4. Give a file name. Step 5. Click on Save button. Loading a procedure. You can open or load the procedure saved earlier by giving Load command. Steps to load a saved procedure. Step 1. Click the File menu in Graphics screen. Step 2. Click Load option. The Open dialog option appears. Step 3. Select the file to be loaded. Step 4. Click on Open button. The procedure in the file gets loaded in the workspace.